Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. These altcoins that we present in today's video are near a bottom. Before we begin, do not forget to join our monthly subscription. Link in the description box and in the comment section. Patreon/Mind Your Crypto. You will get easy profits trading 200 altcoins through an automated system with buying and selling opportunities, a manual system with over 90% win ratio, educational videos to become expert in the technical analysis and hold your future in your hands, market updates, random giveaways, Pine scripts for trading you, and many other benefits. We are waiting for you. Cancel anytime you like. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. Let's go right now and find out about BCH Bitcoin chart. But first, we are going to Bitcoin USD short positions, more than 200% increase rate here. Okay, so what does this mean? You can say that Bitcoin is going to have a crash, right? Yeah, could be the case, but I do not think so. Bitcoin had it back on July as well, increasing USD short positions. Also, it is on Bitfinex in one exchange platform, right? So therefore, we can prove that there is a correlation between USD short positions and a Bitcoin correction, but we cannot see actually or prove the causation behind. Alright, so therefore we have to use other tools as well. We have to look into other charts, what we can potentially see that might open our eyes and be actually prepared for seeing the truth. Okay, so we are going now to Bitcoin's dominance chart. Right here on the weekly frame, Bitcoin's dominance and on the daily frame will keep decreasing. We are approaching a top. We might be going into the top trend line right here, and then we are potentially going to fail. What we also have on Bitcoin's dominance is a descending triangle, lower highs. Okay, so you can see back here starting from 26 July lower highs and the same to lower lows. You can see whenever we have a downtrend and we see a descending triangle, that means we are going to see further correction on Bitcoin's dominance. Maybe this is the key point that we are seeing the USD shorts as well. Altcoin money, actually money will transfer to altcoins, and therefore we are going to see altcoins outperforming Bitcoin. This is going to be massive right there, and of course what we want to see right now is whether we are going to just fall and lose our momentum for Bitcoin dominance chart. If we fall on Bitcoin's dominance, that doesn't mean that Bitcoin in USDT will fall down as well. But altcoins will just outperform Bitcoin and more money will flow out to altcoins. Right now, if we invert this scale chart, we are going to see an ascending triangle on altcoins. This is the altcoin dominance, right? And we are going to see a bottom and soon a near top right here. So be prepared for that. Also, we are starting with the first altcoin that is near a bottom. SNX against Bitcoin chart. We will be seeing the SNX against USDT, do not worry about that as well. But right now, let's start with the SNX against Bitcoin. You can see that SNX against Bitcoin's chart has formed a bullish RSI divergence going on from this bottom towards this bottom right here, from 6 December towards 28 February. Yes, we have seen that going on. 6 December is this one right here, and lower lows have been formed with higher lows in the RSI. We are soon going to see a breakout for SNX against Bitcoin chart. SNX will outperform Bitcoin, and therefore we can go even higher, possibly towards the 0.30's 1854. If we go to SNX USDT chart, let's start here. Okay, so we are going there. All right, so you can see if I remove the drawings, we will see lower lows in the price. And in every technical analysis risk metric right here, we are seeing higher lows on the RSI, higher lows on the commodity channel index as well. Okay, higher lows on the stochastic RSI and higher lows on the Fisher transform on the weekly frame. This is going to explode. You will thank me later if you just go into these synthetics. Of course, none of this information, always keep that in your mind, are financial advices. That's my personal humble opinion. Let's go to the next one, BCH against Bitcoin chart. here BCH will outperform Bitcoin and it will go massively higher. We have the same higher low pattern right here. As you can see, back then when we had the higher low on 2020, we just saw an explosion going on. Maybe the same will happen right now as well. So on the meantime, we are getting a little bit of the same low, higher low on the RSI, but we haven't formed yet a bullish RSI divergence. Although if we see some other lows, for example, if we see 22nd March 2021, then yes, we're having a very long bullish RSI divergence going on. And of course, we cannot let this slip from our eyes right there. We are going to see an explosion pretty soon enough. For BCH against USDT, that means we can go potentially to 400 Tether USD. Let's zoom in our chart a little bit, remove the drawings, and let's start. 400 Tether USD could be the price potential for BCH USDT. 400 is a little bit upwards. There you go. Now I have it better. Okay, so eventually what we are seeing, first of all, bottom tweezers on the monthly frame, the exact same low. Secondly, we have the butterfly bullish pattern right here. Okay, if we just draw the XABCD pattern right there, you will see that we have the butterfly bullish pattern being formed out, harmonic pattern. We have so many bullish tools right there that yes, they are near the bottom. Not to say they might be at the bottom already, and you might be buying at the bottom right here, but I will say near the bottom in case something bad happens with Bitcoin. Okay, so we are going to the next one, DOT against Bitcoin chart. Weekly frame, bullish RSI divergence. If you look closely from 14 February to the 28th, we have a bullish RSI divergence, 14 February right here. Okay, and you can see the 28th as well. Bullish RSI divergence, lower lows and higher lows in the RSI. Therefore, we are going to see something amazing over the next weeks. Of course, we are having the higher low pattern on the commodity channel index. Fisher Transform is not in a higher low pattern. However, it is in a clear way oversold situation right here that we can see. And of course, the MACD right here is dropping more down, but with a higher low on the histogram of the MACD on the weekly frame. So you can see the higher low here, in the lower low in the MACD, we are expecting a bullish cross to happen pretty soon enough. Okay, so for DOT against USDT, what will be the case right now? It will mean that DOT can outperform Bitcoin and therefore go even higher than the 22 Tether USD. Yes, that's right, that's more than a 23% profit target. Can we go even to 26? It is possible. Yes, it is. And of course, if we start outperforming Bitcoin on the weekly, then I think it is very possible for that to happen. And of course, we are going to see maybe even the 29 to 30 Tether USD. That's right, yeah, you are hoping for something better, but we are going to see later on if we can achieve further targets, especially if this is the bottom for Bitcoin and we are going higher than the 50,000 Tether USD, then the 30 Tether USD will just be the minimum DOT will be going. But if Bitcoin stays the same, goes a little bit higher, maybe towards the 48 to 50K, then we are targeting the 29.6 and we are going to wait and see for later. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription. Patreon/MindYourCrypto is the link you will find in the description box and in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.